Yo, Whitey! Welcome back to another video with your boy, Astro. And today, we will be playing some Cabin Crew Simulator. And the specific flight we're going to be doing is on the 737. First, I just need to change the settings so it doesn't interfere with anything. So I'm just going to... that can be 8, yeah. Alright, so that's all good. 737. Yeah. There it is. So, don't forget, you lot, to like and subscribe for more epic content. I hope you enjoyed the other one for the first voice audio, Hope you guys enjoyed that. And I hope you'll enjoy this one as well. So let's get into it. So gate 4. I might even have to charge my laptop in a bit. So, as you may know, the goal of subscribers is to get to 20, and if you can do that, that would be perfect, especially by the time of my birthday, which I'll tell you most probably in the next video. If we get 3 likes, I'll tell you. So, let's begin. Do you really need music? Let me just go. Oh, I just got it. Right. So, if you guys want to see me do a reaction video to another YouTuber or something, let's get this video at 5 likes to do that. Anyways, keep enjoying the music. Also, like I said in the other video, remember if it does it by itself, because it might, but I don't think it will. This most probably will be less than 10 minutes, but we'll see. Just once everyone's boarded. Not sure how long this vid's at, let me just check so far. 4 minutes? Yeah, we'll be fine, All good. I'm gonna upload some shorts as well, so might as well just put one on now, so it will shortly be uploaded soon. It would most probably by the time you're watching this video, it would already be uploaded. Yeah, I was just trying to, Yeah. Anyways, It's gonna start recording the short now, so if you do hear the music, it's of me doing the short. Let's. I'm just gonna check. I'm gonna do this one. Right, so I'm just gonna start it now. 3, 2, and 1. Right, so it should be on there shortly. Let's check on it. You might be able to be in a loop or something. Yeah, it's on loop. It's gonna be. Yeah, they came in the missions. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. Yep. And so we've just taken off now, and like 3 minutes left. One person finished. I like how they like. So I'm not actually gonna.